Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How y'all doing? I'm good. Time for another video. Again, you know, we're gonna do a video on the 34. So, I'm pretty sure y'all saw that video on the Monster page where I was driving the 34 and I was sending it on highway when Bryce was recording. Well, that was the last day for that turbo. Like, after that, it started smoking like crazy. And I drugged the freaking diffuse on the ground in that video. If y'all didn't see it, I'll point that out so you guys can see it. But it's time for me to change the turbo. I'm doing a new build with a motor for the car, and I don't know. I'm not gonna tell y'all yet because I want it to be a surprise. So I'll just put another turbo in the car for now so I can just drive it some more and post more videos and stuff like that on IG. So I'm gonna put a smaller turbo on it. I got a little 6.2 I'll put on there. I'll probably take it to the dyno, see how much it makes. If it makes 600, 700, it's fine. I just wanna be able to drive it some more since right now, you know, Corona's going on. Ain't nobody on the streets, so I ain't gotta worry about nobody really hitting me. So I'll daily it a little bit more and probably not break the transmission. So this is what this video is about. We're gonna change up the turbo and check it out, see what it's make. Oh yeah, and I gotta get it, paint the new diffuser and put it on there. Oh yeah, guys, and of course, you know, like, subscribe, comment, share, you know, tell me what y'all wanna see more, what y'all don't like, what y'all like. I mean, just let me know what's up. I know we always here doing some dumb stuff, but we can do some other stuff too. Let us know what's up. Look at this damage. I had bumped it right on the parking stop in front of the shop, and I forgot because I wasn't going nowhere with it. Then I decided, oh yeah, I'm gonna drive it home. And this bolt was already ripped out, and I guess when I hit it, all the wind just said, and pushed it down to the floor, and you know, it was dragging. I mean, it went out like a champ. Whatever though. I had one anyways, so yeah, but I started taking the turbo off, and it has no up and down play. It has a little bit back and forth. I don't even understand why she's smoking. It's been 4 years. I've been beating the hell out of this turbo. Y'all know all the anti-lag, all the pulls, all the craziness I do with the car, all the burnouts, and now she's smoking, so she gotta go. We're gonna put this little boy on there. Look how tiny this thing is. Look at the difference. Look at the time. That's 6'2", 76, 75. Tiny, big. Tiny, big. This is gonna be fun though, because it's gonna come on really hard and just hit. So we'll pop this on there. And this is journal bearing, and that one over there is a ball bearing. We gonna miss the ball bearing, but we'll return. Look at that, just cruising. Oh well. Okay, so I got it off, and as you can see, look how much oil is in there. A whole bunch of oil in there. So yeah, that turbo's done. Also, all you guys that like all that popping, banging, and two-stepping and stuff, see what it does to your wheel? Living evidence, okay? Look at that thing. That thing is, ooh, she hurt. No wonder why it won't make 1,000 anymore. Insane. Oh well, it was fun while it lasted though. Okay, it's on there. Doesn't look that small. Obviously the camera makes it look bigger, but unfortunately the welder's broken. I'm gonna have to take it over to a buddy's shop and try to get it welded up real quick. And George showed up. Say hi to people, George, you know, heading on. Y'all know he showed up. We're gonna end up doing some reckless stuff. We're gonna ride over to the other shop, get it welded up, and then I already took the bump off so I could put the new lip and diffuser on there, which is already painted over here. Show y'all quick. It's not over there. It's over there. It's over there. Don't mind my hand. It's just talking. Oh, everything's red. I know. Well, look at that. We got the nice new lip and extra lip or whatever you want to call it. Pop that on there, and she'll be good to go. Stick it on the dyno. We gonna run out of gas. Driving on over to the other shop real quick to weld that pipe up. I forgot this thing on gas in there. Thank God it's flex fuel. When we hit the brakes and be stalling. We gonna make it though. The gas station right there. boy. Fabrication shop over here. Because we ain't got no welder. He's plugging me right now. We drove it over here mad reckless. Thanks to George.
You gotta pull it off now.
Yeah. Literally, I got 4 bolts, and you can just take it wherever, whenever you're in. Are you gonna fill up my wood thing? Or you good?
You're good right now.
Bro, I've had that since I moved from over
Look
there.
at the innovation.
To me, and I've never had a problem. What happened?
Just checking out the welds, man.
Oh yeah, okay. You know. Yeah, he welded it up. We putting it on. We finna hit some boost right now. We ain't even waiting. We just finna hit some boost right now.
Not too much boost.
Not too much boost because it's so small, but we gonna hit a little something for you guys. You know, I'm excited. I can't wait. It's spinning. That's good enough for me. All right, cool. We need to. Not a bad choice, huh? Feels pretty good.
It's hard as fuck.
I literally like see you and then you're like, shush, shush.
Right, you're gonna see the camera just drop.
And I'm letting off because it's freaking, it's spooling too fast. It comes on so fucking fast. That's insane. It comes on pretty fucking fast.
Nah, keep humming. All happy to clean your wheels up.
Yeah. Shut up. We just, we gotta wash it before we put it back on there. Gotta put the Hot Boy wheels back on there because Hot Boy is in style. And then, try them out. See if they got it in the grip. Yeah.
Ooh, I thought I was about to say.
He was running away again. The joy of cleaning your wheels, you know?
I guess.
This is something George should learn from me, you know? Clean his wheels.
Oh, my car is bad. It's all right.
Your car hella bad. Noisy ass keys.
Oh, well.
Always make sure your wheels torque before you can do full send, you know?
Nobody wants to hear that right now, Bryce.
Poor Bryce. Now we're gonna test it out, see what she does. Yeah.
said it. He said it's fast. He's got to redo it, right? It looks a little slow, huh? And then he hypes it up. He just killed it. He just, I can't down talk him. Yeah, it's all right. All right, let's end this before he come back. You know.
It just blows all four off.
Yeah, you know, it's all right. You know.
Come on, I think you gotta do it again. It's a four-wheel drive car. What do y'all expect?
Spinning ain't winning.
Again? That was all four. It's spinning all four. What am I supposed to do?
So you're really failing. Alright, now that's how you end the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Anything y'all gotta say?
Huh?
It don't even matter.
That shit's slow.
Thank you. All right, now we out.